Hey guys, welcome back to the Boho Babe Homestead. Just a quick video on building the homestead home. This is the 7 and 8 update. Alright, so I left off those over there. Those weren't filled. The blocks here needed to be added on. So I filled, add on, filled those. Add that one up there, that spot right there, that's where the lintel is gonna go. I need to add a steel right here. Then these that I just set, lay on, they need to fill, as well as these on top and that one over there. I haven't touched that side as yet. I need to do that, so at least this side is ready for the lintel for the window. I need to add one more block right here, or 1.5, to make that side, at least this wall right here, ready for lintel. And after the lintel is going, then I need to add plyboard forms to cast that column, and then I'm going to add 2 more rows of block on top, as well as this one. When I cast the lintel here, 2 more rows of block on top. I have this one to finish, and a half that needs to go there to make it ready, this side ready for lintel. That side is need a few more rows. Anyway guys, it's about to rain, so I'm gonna get going. Can't do anything much for the rest of the day. It's after almost 5 o'clock, so I'm gonna pack up and head to my residing place. Bye bye, thank you for watching.